Welcome back to Joy Tutorials. Previous I discussed class 8 biology subject what is science part 3 over now part 4. Okay. Safety in science. In science laboratory so many instruments, microscope, burette, pipette, flask, glass furniture. Okay, so many are there, electrical gadgets. So many are there. We have to safety in science. We have to follow some of the rules. Here here we have to follow the rules that are think ahead, be neat, oops, watch your eyes, yuck, protect yourself from shocks, keep it clean. Keep it clean. These are the rules in the science lab. While we are doing science investigations, it's very fun, it's very interesting, but be sure you have to be safe. Think ahead. While we are doing any investigation like you are finding out in anion, cation in chemistry lab, okay, science laboratory, you have to know the information. What are the steps? How I have to find out? You have to know the before procedure. That is about think ahead. Okay, you know the procedure. You know the steps. Or you have any doubts? You have to clarify with your teacher. That is about to think ahead. Next, be neat. Keep your work area, it should be very clean. Keep your work area, it should be very clean. If you have long hair, long sleeves, okay. So many problems, na? It will pull it back something. Okay, that's why you have to fold your long sleeves. Okay, keep them away from work area. Okay, that is about be neat. Next one, oops. Next one, if something will fall down or break or cut something, okay, glass furniture is there in lab, okay, you have to immediately inform to your teacher. That is about oops. Next one, watch your eyes. You have to wear safety goggles in science lab. You are focused to science experiments. You have to watch your eyes. Safety, you have to wear safety goggles. You have to wear safety goggles. Something fell down on your eyes, you have to immediately inform to your teacher. Next, yuck. Don't eat or drink anything. Don't eat or drink anything in science laboratory. Okay. If SARs they are giving instructions, you have to collect with the help of burette, pipette. You have to take out 5 ml means you will take more ml. It will goes in your mouth. Okay. You have to immediately inform to your teacher. Okay, it's very dangerous chemicals. Okay, that's why you have to inform to your teacher. Protect yourself from shocks. Protect yourself from shocks. Any electrical gadgets, appliances, you have to check it. That cords are in proper place, correct place. You have to check it. Okay. Next, keep it clean. In your work area, your experiment finished. You have to wipe with wet cloth. Okay. You have to wash your hands. This is about keep it clean. Okay. Your work area it should be very clean, neat and tidy. This is all about the safety in science. This is all about safety in science. Here we are doing investigation. The secret of inventions and discoveries is like a lights. Why? Because na here see the heliocentric theory discovered by Copernicus. Copernicus scientist discovered heliocentric theory. Before they don't know the earth revolves around the sun. He proved the heliocentric theory. Okay, this is about Copernicus theory. Okay, Copernicus discovered the earth revolves around the sun. Next one, all things are fell down. Whatever it may be, all things are fell down. Why? Because due to the gravitational force, so many things will happen. But here, before invention of Newton's gravitational force, Newton scientists discovered, okay, that is nothing but gravitational force. They also think like a common man. Okay, they are follow the sequential order, how to do experiment, how to find out. Okay, like that. Here also, inventions is the mother of nature. Science inventions is the mother of nature. Here we have to find out inventions in here like a sequential order. For example, we want to go one place to another place. Fastly means discovered vehicles. Okay, we want to go very fast means they discovered supersonic planes, jet planes. Okay, whatever it may be, it's like an order. It's like an order, like that. You have to. This is they follow the sequential order. Nothing but sequential order. You have to find out how your mother prepared uh, food in kitchen. Okay, how here farmer how plough his field in agriculture field. Okay, they are having some sequential order, how cycle mechanic repairs his cycle. Okay, they are having some sequential order, they are doing first preparation. Okay, like that they are making na. You have to find out the note and you have to discuss with your friends. Okay, next one, here you have to do any science experiment. You have to find out something, you want to do science investigation. Okay, you have to follow the sequential order, that is nothing but identifying the problems, making hypotheses, collecting information, data analysis, experimentation, result analysis, generalization. Okay, these are the sequential order. Identifying the problem. The bulb in your bedroom did not lit. That is your problem. You have to check your surroundings, identify the problem. Okay, the bulb example, the bulb did not lit in the room. That is your identifying the problem. Next, make a hypothesis. You have to find out maybe bulb defilament, fuse problem, wire problem, bulb problem, switch problem. Okay, whatever it may be, you have to make a hypothesis. Next one, collecting information. You have to collect information like data analysis. Okay, persons, instruments. That all you have to. Example, you have to collect a screwdriver, insulin tape, scale. Okay, this you have to take out. That is about nothing but collecting information. Next, data analysis. Based on the information, you have to do experiment. Data analysis. Okay, organize the experiment. That is about data analysis. Next, experimentation.